Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. So right now my portfolio is worth $201,646.75. In the past year, I am up $72,845.14. Year to date for the year 2025, I am up $44,075.60. Today was a green day for me. I was up $9,309.20. Let's go over my positions. For my options, I'm selling SoFi $32 covered calls. These expire October 24. My return $4,032. I'm selling Amazon $200 covered calls. These expire October 31st. My return, I am down $354. I'm selling Delta Airlines $50 covered calls. These expire October 31st. My return, I am down $1,200. I'm selling Google $220 covered calls. These expire October 31st. My return, I am down $2,415. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Avalanche. For my stocks, I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $26.72. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $134,538.05. I have 300 shares of Google. Google is at $250.44. My average cost, $240.45. My return, $2,936.85. I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $221.39. My average cost, $219.10. My return, $669. I have 1,000 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $58.40. My average cost, $56.64. My return, $1,755.07. This is a margin account. My margin used is $141,734.79. I have $100,808.46 in buying power. My margin buffer is 58.5%. Margin buffer basically means how close I am to a margin call. The higher your buffer percentage, the lower your risk of getting a margin call. So since my margin buffer is greater than, it's at 58.5%, that's high to the point where I would be considered low risk right now. My portfolio value is $201,269.74. Sorry, I went over this before, but yeah, here's my margin used. For my interest, my margin interest is 5% annually, and the daily interest that I'm paying is $19.55, and I am getting $1,000 of margin interest free. Something I want to talk about today is how salty I am about the fact that if you've been watching my recent videos, you know that I was on sort of like a mission to get a specific thing done. I had AMD covered calls. However, I wanted to get rid of them so that I can show you guys once and for all what my portfolio value looks like without using any margin, right? And I did that. I was able to accomplish that. However, now I'm sort of salty that I got rid of my AMD position too early because it went up quite a lot today. As you can see, AMD went up 23.67% today, just in one single day, which is, oh my goodness. And this would have, I think even if I kept my covered calls, I still would have gotten upset because I only chose a strike price of like 165, and as you can see, it is way above 165 right now. But I still would have made money. I would have made a couple thousand, I think, if I held on to my AMD position. But I wanted to get rid of it early because I just wanted to show my audience what my portfolio looks like without any margin, right? But by doing so, I lost out on some money by getting rid of my AMD position too early. But it's okay. I mean, in the long run, I feel like I'll be fine. Yeah, AMD, I think they're doing a partnership with... let's see here. Yep. AMD OpenAI massive artificial intelligence deal. So that's why I went up so high today. And yeah, I got rid of it too early, my AMD position. So I lost out on some money there. But I'm still above 200K. I mean, so I'm still doing well. Just not as well as I could be if I had held on to my AMD position. But it's okay. I accomplished what I needed to do. Now, as you can see, I'm heavily back into margin investing again. I have a whole bunch of shares on margin. So my Google, Amazon, Delta Airlines, I mean, I bought these positions recently after my last video. Like I said, I told you guys I would be going heavy into margin after that video, which I am. So I'm using over $141,000 of margin right now. Some of you guys have expressed concerns that I use too much margin right now, but the way it works is that, like, the strike prices I chose, I highly doubt I'm going to even keep my shares at the end of the month. So, for example, Amazon, I chose a strike price of only 200. Right now it's at 221, so well above 200. Delta Airlines, right now it's at $58.40. I chose a strike price of 50, so well above 50. And then Google, I chose a strike price of 220. Right now Google's at 250.20. So all of these positions, the underlying shares, the price is above the strike price that I chose. So I actually opened these positions with the intention of getting them called away, because I just wanted to collect the small amount of profit that I'll get from the covered calls, and that's it. So that's how I'm managing my my positions that I'm using the margin for. I'm using some in the money covered calls. And then of course SoFi, as you guys all know, I plan to hold this long term, and I still have my shares, as you can see. And right now it is below the strike price that I chose. I chose the strike price of 32. Right now SoFi is at $26.73. But we do have, what is it? Today's the 6th, and this expires on the 24th. So quite a bit of time to go still, and we'll see what happens from now until then. But yeah, I plan to keep my shares of SoFi, unlike these other positions here. So that's the plan. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to talk about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me give an update on my position, showing you guys all of my, all of my positions I have and how I've been doing, and a little bit of my plans for the future and what I plan to do. All right, I'll keep on making more videos like this, but that's pretty much it for this update. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe so you can keep on watching more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.